So out of Ripon, doing a little photo shoot for the New Year's. We got a couple, we're waiting on still more guys to come in. So got a little invite from Instagram. We're gonna do a whole, this is his shoot. So we got Ishmael. So Ishmael brought the drone. He's gonna do some flying. Then we'll set up the cars. We got Johnny. So we'll set up and then I'll do some B-rolls. Good to go.
So you're gonna be the first one, and then we'll line up again.
So we're gonna be switching up parking spots. We're gonna do 2 lanes, going, I guess, 2 lines. So we already got all the shots like this style. All the photographers did their thing. And there we go. All right, so let's go move in place in new spot. So what was?
Yeah, and we're gonna block traffic.
So we are right, John?
What?
We are. I'm going to, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I think I do this. Tight fit. See if we get through. Because I'm in the dirt, so I'm gonna just keep it at right height. But yeah, new spot over here, Manteca. I guess this is like JCPenney's Pro Bass Shop, and then the AMC movie theater. So I've never been over here before, so this is big empty parking lot. Wish we got more cars to come out. Let everyone do their shots and then go home. Call it a day.
Alright, let me pull out my expensive phone.
Pretty much it'll do the job. Shit.
It do though.
Alright, so time to do some roller shots. So this is a full day of photo shooting, so it's kind of fun. So getting in, we're gonna have cars rolling, have the GTRs in the back, so then when we all split up, the GTRs will come out. I mean, I won't have the footage because they're gonna be doing it, so, but not bad, good day. So let me warm up the car. Just made it back. The car is back covered, ready to now be taken apart and start adding all these parts. So hopefully I have time to make a video for it, but if I do, of course I'll do it. Have the Lexus parked out here because I had it on the driveway, and all these dudes down here were doing donuts right here. I swear to God, I don't fucking hit my car while you're doing stupid ass shit, fucking it up for everyone out here. So if you're one of those dudes chilling out there, I'm gonna show some respect, dog. Like that sideshow shit is fucking. I'm not for that shit. That street takedown bullshit. Like, y'all wanna go swing it? Y'all can swing this dick. So I'm like, I'm cool with that shit. Go pay. You know. Turn this motherfucking light on. That shit got me heated. So like, don't do that, dude. That's not cool. Like, people out here on this neighborhood, they work hard. Some of them park their work cars on the side of the street, and if you hit their car, they can't go to work, and you fucked up their money. So like, don't do that shit. That shit is not cool. So like, all those cars right here, those are their work cars. They work. This is my work car. If you're gonna swing it here, and I don't give a shit if you got skills. You hit somebody's car, you fucked. So it's a little frustrating having to deal with, young kids that get a car and all they want to do is do donuts, and they say, oh, I know how to drift because I know how to do donuts. Anyone can do donuts, bro. So, but yeah, everything was cool. Thank you very much for the invite for the photo shoot, doing the rollers. Had a great time. Great way to start the New Year's. So, like I said, things I got to install are the GKT Tech side mirrors, the new cluster. So I got to do these. The covers, I will be wrapping those tonight. If I have time, I know somebody wanted me to show you guys how to wrap. I'm not a rapper, like, I'm not Paradox. So I will do my best. Hopefully I don't mess up. If I do, got to peel it off and order more carbon wrap because they are fiberglass for the headlight lenses that I got. So once damn, it's hot. I really need to get that carbon fiber hood so vented. But dude, I love that paint. Look at that reflex. That should be hidden. But yeah, so it's usually they do that here because they see the drift car. So trust me, I got more haters than people that actually like the car. So the Lexus, I'll have to make a video on that because all three cars I get a lot of hate. So you'd be surprised the certain crowd that I do get love and from this car, and then I do get, like, it's 50-50. The Lexus, I get hate all day on that one. So all right, guys, I'm gonna go and drop off the keys, call it a day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So thanks for watching, hanging out, and Happy New Year. Peace.